Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over the location where you would find your fuse boxes on your 2019 Kia Forte. So you've got one fuse box right here, which is to the, if you were sitting in the driver's seat, it'd be basically where your left knee is. This cover, you just pull it and it pops off. And then we've got all these fuses up here, and we have our sheet here. So if you look at the way that is, so if we flip this over like this, and we can read it, and we can see what these run and use, right? And go from the top to the right, and that way we know what's supposed to be in there and what it's supposed to be doing. The window, we got the heated mirror, if you have that option, and they're all, the fuses will be in that order. So that's the one that's in the interior cab, and right below it, so right down, if you go right down here, that's where your OBD2 port hooks up to be able to do computer diagnostic on your vehicle. So if you need to check a fuse, this is where you would check it inside the car. The next fuse box is right here in the engine bay, and this is on the left side of the car, say driver's side, right. This is the outside of the car, your strut right here. So you just pull these tabs and pull this up, and this has got the same, we have our diagram of what they do, the fuses and relays, and where they lay in. You just have to, so if it was just sitting upside like this, you would just hold it up and you would be able to correlate from exactly this one to what they run. So if you're having an issue, you can be able to look and start diagnosing by which fuse you need to potentially pull. So say like if your horn's not working, you would look here. This is the horn fuse, which should be sitting right here. You have a fuse puller that's right here in the case, and you can pull the fuse out and check it to see if the fuse was blown or not. If so, you would get a new one and put in. Make sure that you put in the same size of fuse that was already in there, so that you don't have too much amperage or too little amperage that you need to run it. And this one has a spare fuse right here. Oh, and we have a spare 15, 20, 25, and 30, which will pretty much do about everything that you need, as well as the 10 and 7.5. So we have at least one spare for every size of fuse that's in your vehicle right here. It's good to know. Now, that is where you find your fuse boxes, the one in the engine bay, and the one in the interior of the car on your 2019 Kia Forte. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.